So welcome to the Facebook ad session, guys. This is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and I am a digital marketer by profession. I'm also a digital marketing trainer, and I will not take much time in introducing myself because you might be already receiving my emails. And I think out of the 3,000 people here, I think 1,500 people already know me. They are my existing students, they are my existing interns, and everything. So people who are trying to join the WhatsApp group, you can join later. And now it is time to focus on the class. So how many of you here already are running Facebook ads and I want to know more strategies, and how many of you here have never run Facebook ads before? Let me know in the chat box so that I can have an idea about it. Fantastic. So I see a lot of people who are yet to get started and a lot of other people who have already running Facebook ads and already using Facebook ads. So Facebook ads is an excellent money maker. I will tell you how I am running Facebook ads, and today I'm going to log in inside my Facebook ads account and I'm going to show you how I run my Facebook ads. All right. So that's what we are going to do today. And let me go ahead and share the slide deck that I have. So Facebook ads masterclass by Digital Deepak, and people who are trying to join right now might not be able to enter the webinar. So don't worry about the WhatsApp groups, guys. We will create more WhatsApp groups towards the end of the webinar, and then we will share it with you. It is time to focus on the class. So Facebook ads masterclass by Digital Deepak. And this is part of digital marketing. Facebook ads is a very important part of digital marketing. And basically my digital marketing journey has been basically started with Facebook ads, because I started generating leads with Facebook ads. That's how my digital marketing journey started. And before we start today's session, let's go ahead and look at the agenda. What are we going to do today? All right. So I want you to take notes during the class. Use a pen and notebook. Get a good quality one if you have, and then start taking some notes, because whatever we are going to learn, I don't want you to forget it. I want you to remember it, and then you can go ahead and implement it later. I hope that you are watching this in desktop or laptop. That is the best way to do it. But if you are not watching this in desktop or laptop, try not to get distracted. And if you are watching it in desktop or laptop, then you can go ahead and switch off your phone so that you don't get distracted for the next 90 minutes. So the next 90 minutes are going to be extremely value packed, and we are just going to go ahead and give you a lot of value and give you a lot of learning in this particular masterclass. All right. So some people are saying my volume is low. Let me try to increase my volume. So is my volume better now? Just type clear in the chat box. Yes, volume should be better now. I just increased the gain in my mic. Fantastic. All right. So now what we will do is that, why are we learning digital marketing in the first place? We are learning digital marketing so that we can grow our businesses. We are learning digital marketing so that we can get a digital marketing career, or we can become a freelancer and sell products and services. So recently, for the students of my internship program, who are my private group of people where I mentor them, I went ahead and showed them math. And generally, I know mathematics is boring. However, I think you would be interested in mathematics if I tell you about how you can make money and how much money you can make. So I will give you a very simple formula, right? And what I'm going to tell you is that this is something that I personally use for goal setting myself, and this is how I structure my funnel. And how many of you have heard about digital marketing funnels? Just type funnel in the chat box if you have heard about funnels. So a funnel is basically, you start with a simple low priced product, and then you go ahead and try to increase the price of the product, increase the price of the product, increase the price of the product even more. All right. So here, when you look at typical goal setting, if you want to set a financial goal, I think you can set a goal of making 1 crore. Yes, you can set a goal of making 1 crore from digital marketing. So if you want to make 1 crore in digital marketing, let's go ahead and think about what are the different possibilities of making 1 crore. So if you have a product which is 100 rupees, and if you have 1 lakh customers, you will make 1 crore, right? This could be a tripwire, which means that you are just selling something so that people can experience your product. And how many of you are, part of my 100-day lead generation course here? So I have created a course called the 100-day lead generation course. and the 100-day lead generation course is just 99 rupees. All right. And a lot of people have opted into the 100-day lead generation course, and they have started, getting a lot of value from it. So when you price the product very low, then people are going to go ahead and buy it without hesitation, right? And for people who want this, I will let you know towards the end of this webinar, maybe you can get into it. And a lot of people are saying it's a very helpful course. And if I get 1 lakh customers for 100 rupees price point, even if I have to spend 100 rupees to get one customer who will pay 100 rupees, imagine that I am going to spend 1 crore and then I'm going to get back 1 crore, right? And I will show you some examples of Facebook ads where I have been able to do it. And here you can see, if you have 10,000 customers and if you have a product price of 1,000 rupees, then also you can make 1 crore. So imagine that you have spent 1 crore to get 1 lakh customers at a 100 rupee price point. And what you can do is that, do you think 10% of these people will be ready to buy your product for 1,000 rupees if you already provide value? Yes. 10% will be, ready to do. So if you have spent 1 crore to get 1 lakh customers at 100 rupees each, then out of that 10% you can convert into a customer for 1,000 rupees, which means you will have 10,000 customers. And from here, if you want to increase your product price even more, then you can get 1,000 customers, and you can get 1,000 customers at 10,000 rupees. That also makes 1 crore. Or you can get 100 customers at 1 lakh rupees. So now, does it make sense? Is it, feeling a little bit more clear and hopeful that it is possible to make 1 crore via digital marketing? Yes. Just type 1 CR in the chat box if you think that it is possible to make 1 CR with digital marketing, because I am going to show you how you can go ahead and spend money on Facebook ads and get these customers at 100 rupees or 1,000 rupees, and you will be able to get a lot of customers like that very, very easily. And I will show you all the techniques of that, right? So, I want you to set this goal in mind, because I want you to imagine about that possibility. Only then it will be exciting, right? So I will be showing you all the, tricks of it. So what are we going to learn today? I will show you what are we going to learn today. We are going to learn why Facebook ads are very effective. We are also going to learn about my experience with Facebook ads and what I have done with Facebook ads. How to choose an audience in Facebook, we are going to learn about that. How to run a simple traffic ad in Facebook. I'm also going to set up a simple traffic ad, and I'm going to show you with the demo. Ad rules to keep in mind. What are the rules that you have to keep in mind when you are running a Facebook ad? What are Facebook pixels? What are custom conversions? What are custom audiences? And I will show you what is the Facebook ad funnel. All right. I will show you what is the Facebook ad funnel. So excited to learn? Yes. Fantastic. Don't put thumbs up, guys. Don't raise hands. Don't put thumbs up. Don't raise hand. Please do not raise hand. No, it is clogging up my screen. All right. So now I will go ahead and share my screen. So let me go ahead and share my screen. All right. So here we are. And the first step of having offer on Facebook ads, which you can sell, is to go ahead and have a landing page, right? What do you need? You need a landing page. So if you click on a Facebook ad, you need to take people to a landing page, right? Because without a landing page, you will not be able to communicate what you have for selling to them. So what I'm going to do is that first I'm going to give you instapage.com. So I'm going to show you how a landing page looks. You can use any landing page creator tool if you want. But the first step in running Facebook ads to have a landing page where you can go ahead and create a page which will advertise your products or services, right? So let's go ahead and look at landing pages. So recently I have created this product called the 100-day lead generation course. And this is the landing page for the 100-day lead generation course. So let me go ahead and tell you how I have built it. You can either go ahead and build it using WordPress, or you can build it using HTML, or you can use one of the tools that through which you can build a landing page and everything. So I hope my voice is clear, guys. I hope my voice is clear. Just type clear in the chat box if it is clear. Loud and clear. Yes. Pretty much everyone is saying loud and clear. If anyone is not able to hear my voice, then it means that there is a problem probably at your end. All right. So here, this is the landing page. In the landing page, I have said learn lead generation in 100 days with 100 different lessons. Learn how to generate high quality leads online. And this is my tripwire. You know, tripwire is basically, so enroll, thank you. Enroll the 100-day lead generation course for 99. Tripwire is basically, I am selling something for a low price so that, you know, people do not need to go ahead and think about a lot before they, you know, buy something from me, right? So I'm going to put a low price. I'm going to put a countdown timer also. Let's say I want to go ahead and say the countdown timer, the offer is going to end on, let's say 11th August, because today is 10th August. So I will go ahead and click on apply. And here you can say it is 1 day remaining. So I will go ahead and click on update and click on confirm. And now you will be able to see that this is the landing page. So I have created the landing page. I have told people top 5 things you will learn in this 100-day course: lead generation funnels, lead generation tools, marketing automation, sales and closing deals. And then I have given a call to action. Call to action is very important, right? You need a call to action before you can go ahead and convert people. So now I will go ahead and just share a mind map with you, and I will also share this mind map with you. So Facebook ads masterclass. Let's talk about why Facebook ads. You will be able to get cheap traffic, target the right audiences, and you will be able to track conversions, and you will be able to have social proof, right? And you will have high reach. You will have high reach as well. So before running Facebook ads, what do you need? You need landing pages. What is a landing page? So it is not a website. A landing page is a single page with a single call to action, right? What you are doing is that you are going to go ahead and I would say low cost traffic, low cost, high quality traffic, right? You don't need to spend a lot of money when you are running Facebook ads. So landing page means that single page with call to action, which means that there is one page where you are going ahead and building a landing page. You know, can be built using any tool. The tool does not matter, guys. What it matters is that how you are going to create that page, which will have that landing page. So now I will go ahead and show this to you. So here I am also showing some social proof, because social proof is very important. Without social proof, nobody is going to buy. And I have given like a very simple landing page. So this is not my blog, Digital Deepak. Digital Deepak website, it's not. It's just a landing page. So now once I have created it, now I can go ahead and visit this page, right? And I can go and advertise this page on Facebook. And I can go ahead and advertise to get clicks. So InstaPage has a free version, but the tool itself is not free. I'm using an advanced version of InstaPage so that you know, you can go ahead and build this tool, but you can build it in anything. You know, there are a lot of different tools that I will tell you about. So first you need a landing page. So once you have the landing page, you go and advertise it on Facebook. So I will show you. So basically, you know, everybody here has a Facebook account. Yes. So you will be able to go ahead and create a, you know, Facebook ads account, I know, just like a personal account, or you can go to business.facebook.com and create a business account. So here what I'm going to do is that first I'm going to show you directly how to create an ad. So I will go ahead and click on create, and my account is an old account. You know, I have a US address, so this account is still connected to dollars. But I hope you are able to see my screen. Wait, we're able to see my screen, guys? All right, some people are saying no. Let me just share it again. So now basically you have to go and create your ad for the first time. So first I will show you a simple way to create an ad. I will go ahead and click on traffic ad. I just want to drive traffic. So I will say drive traffic to 100-day lead generation course. So now I will go ahead and click on continue. And the most important thing to do is that you need to select an audience, right? So first I will say India is my target market. I will select India. And once I select India, it will show me how many people I can reach. So the population of India is around 1.3 billion people. And out of that, I will be able to go ahead and reach 340 million people. Isn't that amazing? I can reach 340 million people in India with Facebook ads. So now what I will do is that I will go ahead and create an audience. So how do I create an audience? I have to look at what people are interested in, right? So I have saved audience and I have custom audience. So saved audience is one type of audience, custom audience is one type of audience. So there is also a way to do conversion optimized ads. I will show you how to create conversion optimized ads, but first I will show you how to create a simple traffic ad. All right. So in the simple traffic ad, what I'm going to do is that here I'm going to put an audience. So what is an audience? This is the audience that I'm going to go ahead and target. So I will just say 180 days of website visitors. I am targeting all the people who have visited my website in the past 180 days. So I will select 180 days of website visitors and I will select India. And in the next section, I will show you how to create audiences. So now I will go ahead and put on, let's say, manual placements. If I do manual placements, then I can set up where these ads will be shown: Facebook, Audience Network, Instagram, Messenger. So let's say I want to just show it on Facebook and Instagram. All right. So these are the Facebook feed, Instagram feed, marketplace, video feed. So these are all the places where the ad will appear. And now I can go ahead and say optimize for link clicks. I want a lot of people to click on my ad. And I will say my daily budget is $50. All right. And I will click on continue. So in this section, what we have done, so there are three structures. All right. There are three structures when it comes to Facebook ads. So a structure of a Facebook ad, we will go and put it on the mind map. So what is the structure of a Facebook ad? There are three levels, 4 levels in fact. The structure of Facebook ads. So on the top, you have the Facebook ad account. So that's the first level. Facebook ad account you have. And then you have campaigns. You have different campaigns. Within campaigns, you have ad sets. And within ad sets, you have ads. So within ads, you can create multiple variations of ads, right? You can create multiple variations of ads within the ads. Ad sets may you define the audience. You define the audience for the ad sets. Campaigns may you define the daily budget. So I will be giving you this mind map towards the end of this webinar. Don't worry about it. And Facebook ad account is your company account, right? So this is how the entire ad set is created. So within ad set, so ads may you have like, types of ads. Do you have different types of ads? You have image ads. So a lot of people are saying what mind map tool I am using. I'm using this tool called Mind Node. So you have image ads, then you have video ads, and then you have carousel ads. These are the different types of ads. So now let me go ahead and share my screen again for Facebook ads. So now we have to go and create an ad. And when we are going ahead and creating an ad, we have to first go ahead and select the page from which we will be running the ad. So everybody knows the pages, right? So I know that a lot of people feel like I'm going a little bit fast, but towards the end of this webinar, I'm going to give you a free course on Facebook ads. And that will be, with certain terms and conditions. Obviously, I would request some things from you, and I'm going to give you Facebook ads course for free. And in that Facebook ads course, I will be, explaining everything in depth. So if you feel like, I'm going a little bit fast, just stay with me. I just want to show you how this works. You don't need to go ahead and depend on this particular video to learn how to create ads, right? So now I have to go ahead and put the primary text here. So what I will do is that first I will go ahead and get the ad copy that I have to create. All right. So let me go ahead. So I have a copywriter, and to learn copywriting, you might want to, attend my copywriting masterclass. So 100-day lead generation tips ad. So let me go ahead and paste this here. So you want leads. So this is the ad copy that I have written. Leads at an affordable cost where you can make a profit. Quality leads who are interested in whatever you are selling. And this is the format that I'm going to try for this particular ad. I have like a lot of bullet points so that people can just put attention to it. And a lot of businesses are looking for people who can write good Facebook ads. If you master Facebook ads, you will be able to go ahead and provide this as a service to other businesses as well as a freelancer. You can become a digital freelancer. If you want to become a digital freelancer, just type DF in the chat box if you want to become a digital freelancer, because I will be doing webinars on digital freelancing also, because nobody is going to do full-time jobs anymore, right? This is the future where everybody is going to work part-time from home as a freelancer. So you will learn how to generate leads, you will learn how to nurture them, you will learn how to go ahead and convert them. So these are all the promises that I have, and I'm just giving it for 99 rupees, right? Just giving it for 99. So a lot of people here in this webinar might have already joined this. And I'm going to show you how I make money from this. It's going to be mind-blowing. Act now. So this is a new format I'm trying. I hope this works. For just 99. All right. So now this is the ad copy, right? This is the main ad copy. And I'm going to put a headline. So what will be the headline? 100-day lead generation course for 99 rupees. So this is the ad. And I'm going to put a description here. I can just put it here. In mobile, description will not be shown. And I have to go ahead and put this page, right? I have to go ahead and put this page here in the website URL. So people who just joined, don't worry about it. I will be giving you a recording of this webinar as well. So now I will put the display link and I will click on sign up. So you can use different call to actions. And now the most important things. Do you want leads? Yeah. So now the most important thing is that you have to find good images. So I will click on add image, and what Facebook gives you is that Facebook gives you stock images, which you can use. And here I will just go and search for leads. And I can just go ahead and put some leads. So this is getting stuck here. So 1 minute, I will just share the screen again. So I will just go and search for leads. And once I search for leads, then Facebook will show me some free stock images where I will be able to go ahead and all right. So now I will go ahead and select leads. So this ad looks good. This image looks good. I can select up to 6 images. Leads, this looks good. This looks good. This looks good. And let's say get more leads. Maybe this looks so good as well. Right. So now what I will do is that I will go ahead and click on continue. And what Facebook will do is that Facebook will select all these ads for me, add images for me. So give me 1 moment. My page is getting a little bit stuck. Just refreshing it. All right. So now it's ready. So we have 3,000 people in the webinar right now. I hope everybody is finding it useful. So now what I will do is that, so here you can see this is how the ad looks, right? So now I will click on next. So it will show me how the ad looks on desktop. It will show me how the ad looks on instant articles. It will show me how the ad looks on mobile. And this is the ad. So now what I will do is that I will go ahead and click on confirm. And once I click on confirm, then the ad will go for approval first. And once it goes for approval, and once it's approved, the ad will start running. All right. So that is how this entire system works. But do you understand that there is a big problem with this? How many of you can understand that there is a big problem with this? Can you tell me what will be the problem? Let's see if you can get it right. There is a big problem with this type of ads. Only traffic. Yes, some people have got it. It is only going to send traffic. And the traffic might become a buyer or it might not become a buyer. The traffic might become a buyer or it might not become a buyer. So we are not just wanting traffic to our website, right? Yes, we want high traffic to our website, but we just don't want traffic to our website. What we want is that we want conversions, right? Navneet is saying traffic jam. So yeah, traffic jam will happen. So no conversions will happen, and Facebook will not know how many of these people are actually buying. So do you know how to find out how many of these people are actually buying? Do you want to know? Yes. So that is why we call Facebook Pixel. And how many of you know that I run an agency called Pixel Track? I am so fascinated by this word pixel that I created a digital marketing agency called Pixel Track for people who don't know. So this is my digital marketing company, and we are a team of 10 people, and we have done digital marketing for all these companies: Mercedes-Benz, Nikon, Your Story, HDFC, Scriptbox. So how many of you have heard about these companies? So we run Facebook ads for them, and we have spent crores of rupees, spending Facebook ads on them for their campaigns. So that is how I learned Facebook ads the right way. In fact, if you go to my own account and if you click on lifetime, you will be able to see the total amount of money I have spent on Facebook ads so far. Can you go ahead and see how much I have spent on Facebook ads? Is it visible for you guys? Yes. How much is it? It's more than $100,000. More than $100,000 is more than like 75 lakhs I have spent on Facebook ads. So I'm not just spending the money on Facebook ads. I am going ahead and actually getting a return on investment. That is why I'm able to spend money on Facebook ads. So the biggest problem here is that Facebook will not know which of these people are converting. So that is why we use something called the Facebook Pixel. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and show you the Facebook Pixel. So what I need to do is that I need to go to Events Manager. So there is a thing called Events Manager. And here I have something called the default pixel, and you will be able to go ahead and create the pixel. So here you have the link, and a pixel is basically going ahead and creating a code, and you have to put that code on your website. So here you can see the pixel. So this is my pixel ID. So this is my pixel ID, and this is on so many websites I have installed it. So once I have the pixel ID, I can go and put the pixel on Insta page, or I can directly go ahead and put it on a HTML page as well, right? So I will talk about ROI, guys. I will talk about how I make money with this. So now I will show you where I have installed the Facebook Pixel. So in this particular Insta page, there is a way to add the Facebook Pixel. It's just like analytics code. I hope you know about analytics. So how many of you know about Google Analytics? Just type GA in the chat box. If you don't know about Google Analytics, type no in the chat box. All right, so Google Analytics is a tool where you will be able to measure the amount of traffic that is coming to our site. So I will talk about it in the Analytics Masterclass separately. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and install the Facebook Pixel. So I will go ahead and put the Facebook Pixel code here, and I will put the Facebook Pixel ID. So I can go ahead and put the Facebook Pixel ID here, and Facebook Pixel ID integration will happen. So I will click on Facebook Pixel ID, click on save, and I will click on update. So now, after people make the payment, I also have a thank you page. And I go ahead and put the Facebook Pixel on the thank you page as well. So I will show you how the thank you page works. And you need the thank you page so that people know who are the people who are going to the thank you page, right? So let's see where the thank you page is. So 100-day lead generation course thank you page. Where is it? I will go ahead and show it to you on InstaMojo directly. All right. So I will tell you how the pixel works. So I will log in into my InstaMojo account first, and I will show you products and store. And in the products and store, I will be having the Facebook Pixel there, where I have put it on the thank you page. So when people visit the ad and the landing page, and then they go ahead and go to the thank you page, then people will be able to see. So let's just wait for the products to load. Give me one moment. Insta page seems to be slow today. So yeah, this is 100-day lead generation course. And I will go ahead and click on this. So what I have done is that when people click on pay now, they will visit this page. And after they go ahead and complete making the payment, they need to go to a page. All right. So they need to go to this particular thank you page. And in this particular thank you page, I have added the Facebook Pixel. So there is a Google Chrome plugin called Facebook Pixel Helper. All right. So Facebook Pixel Helper. So if you add this Chrome extension on your Chrome, then you will be able to check if the Facebook Pixel is available on that website or not. So if I go to digitaldeepak.com and if I click on the Facebook Pixel, it will show me what is the pixel that is installed on my website. Got it? Just I got it in the chat box if you understood what is the Facebook Pixel Helper. So once you put the Facebook Pixel, the next thing that you have to do is that you have to go ahead and create a custom conversion. So now this is custom conversion. So for people who feel that I'm going a little bit fast, just stay with me. Don't worry about it. Just absorb the overall concept, and then I will give you tutorial videos where you will be able to go ahead and learn how to do it. All right. So here I have created a custom conversion. So custom conversion 100-day LG. So if I go ahead and click on create custom conversions, I can define that if people visit this particular page, then count it as a custom conversion. So what is this custom conversion for 100-day LG 100-day lead generation course? Here you can see this is the 100-day lead generation course. And I have told that if people visit this particular page where they can opt in, then count it as a conversion. So now when I'm putting the Facebook Pixel code on my page, on the thank you page, Facebook can track your click even outside of Facebook. If I am running a click campaign, then Facebook will not be able to understand where the traffic is going, right? But if I am running a conversion optimized campaign, then Facebook will be able to understand whether this particular person has converted or not. So Facebook will wait and see whether this particular person is going to the thank you page. And if Facebook knows that this particular person has gone to the thank you page, Facebook will count it as a conversion. So I will show you some of the campaigns that I have run this month. First, I will impress you. So let me go ahead and click on, this month, and let me go ahead and click on amount spent. So now do you want to see the money? Show me the money. Just type show me the money if you want to see the money. So here I have run some Facebook ad campaigns for just type SMTM in the chat box if you want me to show you the money. So you want to understand how I make money with Facebook ads, because a lot of people were asking me, hey Deepak, how do you make money with Facebook ads? So here you can see I have been running a campaign called 100-day lead gen. And these two campaigns, you can see how many leads have come, 482. And can you see how much I have spent for each and every 100-day LG? How much is it? How much is it showing? Put it on the chat box. I have spent only 66 cents. And how much is 66 cents, guys? 66 cents, how much rupees is it? It's around 25 rupees, which means that around 40 rupees, around 40 rupees, which means that for every sale that I am getting for 99 rupees, I am only spending 40 rupees. So isn't that a profit? Isn't that the profit of almost 60 rupees? And I have created another campaign here where I have got 82 cents. So $318, $270. And imagine that if I can get 100,000 customers, which is 1 lakh customers, do you think I can make 1 crore? And I do not mind spending 1 crore to acquire these 1 lakh customers, because I might be able to make 1 crore profit by selling them a 1,000 rupee product for 10,000 customers. Now it makes sense. So do you want to see how much money I have made with 100-day lead generation course? Do you want me to show you the money? So let me go into my InstaMojo account. So here you can see this is my lifetime earnings, 6 crores, 35 lakhs, 89,000 actually. This is all the courses I have been launching since past 4 years. So let's go ahead and select 100-day lead generation course. And here you can see I have got 2,483 customers and they have paid 2,47,000 rupees so far. And I have spent less than this amount in Facebook ads to get this. Isn't this exciting? Makes sense. So this is how you make money. You have a landing page, you have a product, and then you are going to go ahead and spend less money and you are going to make money. But what will happen is that if I try to get 1 lakh customers here, the cost for every conversion might go up, but it's okay because I am ready to spend 1 crore to get 1 lakh customers, because once I get those 1 lakh customers, then what will happen is that a lot of people already know my products and they will be going ahead and buying my future products as well. So I will show you where these leads are being delivered. So I have an automation. So I go ahead and deliver the course via an email drip sequence. That is how I deliver the course. And I will show you the sequence that I have created. And how many of you know about email marketing? How many of you know that email marketing is powerful? You should understand that email marketing is powerful because pretty much everybody here are in this webinar because I sent out an email to you, right? So now you can see, I will go ahead and share you another screen, how I am delivering the course. So I am delivering this course through email drip marketing, and I have not created 100 lessons so far. I have created only 12 lessons so far. See, and every day I am writing one lesson, which means that I have already started making the money. And Anil Reddy, please don't do that. So yeah, so now we are having 12 lessons and I'm going to add one lesson every day. And do you want to see what is the open rate for each and every email that I am sending? The open rate for each and every email that I am sending, you can see it here. 87%, 69%, 66%, 57%. These people will be ready to open my emails because they have paid for it, right? These people are opening my emails because they have paid for it. And obviously they will open my emails. Even on the 12th day, you can see that the open rate is 38%, which means that over time, all these people are going to get more and more emails from me. And here I have set the feedback, feedback day. Even feedback day has 52% open rate. So imagine if I want to sell my lead generation course. So obviously the email rates will drop a little bit because what happens is that you can see that here only 574 people are there and 720 people are there, 899 people are there. So when you give it more time, the email open rates will increase, right? So the first email has an 87% open rate. So imagine if I want to sell my lead generation course and if I am sending out an email to all these people, do you think they will open and be interested in it? They are already getting value from my 99 rupees course. And now they will think that, okay, Deepak is giving the value and now I would like to go ahead and buy a course from him for a higher price. So this is how I am making the money and this is how I have built my funnel. Interesting? Just type interesting in the chat box if you think this is interesting. So now are you feeling confident that you will be able to build a funnel? So you need a 99 rupees product, then 999 product, then 9999 product. Now I am working on my 1 lakh product as well. So what I will go ahead and do is that I will go ahead and build a funnel where first I try to get 1 lakh customers for my 99 rupee product. Then I will get, and I can do this across multiple funnels, right? I can do like for Facebook ads, I can do for lead generation, I can do, and imagine, even if I go ahead and spend 1.5 crores and spend only get 1 crore back. Imagine if I have 1 lakh customers here, then I will be able to go ahead and get 1 lakh customers here. Then what will happen is that even if I spend 1.5 crores to make 1 crore, I can go ahead and take that money out from my upsell, where I am selling something for 1,000 rupees. I'm selling something for 10,000 rupees. So isn't this awesome, guys? Now I hope you are able to go ahead and see the possibility. Right, so now this is how it works, and you might want to attend my lead generation masterclass where I teach how to do lead generation. But this is how Facebook ads works, and here you can see the ad that we just started is already running. So now if I want to go ahead and create a conversion optimized ad, then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and select this, click on duplicate, and I'm going to create a conversion optimized ad. I already showed you what is custom conversions. Now I'll create a new campaign. And in the new campaign, what I will do is that I will go ahead and say that for this particular campaign, I want to focus on conversions. And it will tell me what is the conversion that I have to go ahead and choose, right? So let me go ahead and show you how this works. So this campaign is going to be like a conversion optimized campaign. And in the conversion optimized campaign, I will be able to choose what is the target conversion that I want. So let's just refresh this page. It's just publishing now. And I will be able to go ahead and make sure that Facebook is optimizing the ad to make sure that people are buying. So what Facebook will do is that Facebook will first show an ad to 1,000 people and see how many of those 1,000 people are buying. And Facebook will look at, what are the, buyer demographics, right? What are the buyer demographics? In fact, what I will do is that I will go ahead and set up a new campaign for you because this is not working. So I will show you how to set up a conversion optimized ad. Click on delete. And I will click on create. So now I will click on conversions. Then conversions 100-day LG, right? 100-day lead generation. I will click on continue. And I will go ahead and select what is the conversion pixel here, right? I have to go ahead and select on what is the conversion pixel. 100-day LG. 100-day LG is what I have to select because I want people to go ahead and buy my 100-day lead generation course. Now I will go ahead and click on custom audience, and then it's the same process. Go ahead and create an ad. And once I create an ad, then I will be able to get sales from Facebook ads. And this is how it works. Now there is one more thing that I want to explain. There is something called lookalike audience. So if I go into audiences, I hope you are able to see my screen. I will just share it again because some people are saying it's stuck. All right. So now I will go into audiences and I will click on lookalike audience. So lookalike audience is basically what will happen is that if you are only targeting the audience who have visited your website, then it will not be much. So I will select 180 days of website visitors. So people who have already visited my website, and I will say it is India. And what I will do is that I will create like 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5% lookalike audience. So what I'm basically doing is that I want to create an audience set which is just looking like the people who visit my website already, right? So 3.8 million, 11.5 million, 4 million. So 4% is 15 million. So whatever audience size I want to create, I can create it here. And even if I put it on 1%, it's 3.8 million people, guys. 3.8 million people is a lot of people to show the ads to. And I will be able to go ahead and sell my course. So once in a while, I might need to create new campaigns. Once in a while, I might need to refresh my campaigns to make sure that the performance is not declining. But if you try to write a good ad copy, and if you put a good ad image, then the ad will convert. So what you can do is that you can try creating like a 99 rupees ebook or 299 rupees ebook and see if you can run Facebook ads and start generating leads. Or you can also go ahead and generate leads directly. So I am also generating leads directly for my learndigitalmarketing.com landing page. So here you will be able to see my learndigitalmarketing.com landing page. And this is also one ad that I am running where people will just enter their name and email ID, and probably you guys entered my funnel by just coming to the landing page. Now I am planning to launch these 100-day courses on different topics, and I don't need to spend any money because whenever I'm spending money on Facebook ads, I'm getting it back, right? So, that is how this works. So, that's pretty much it, in terms of, learning about the, overview of Facebook ads, right? So how many of you found this particular session useful? Just type useful in the chat box if you found it useful. Fantastic. So if you are part of my internship program, or if you are an intern already, then you would have done the assignments and you would have actually run Facebook ads with our help. And if you do not know about my internship program, I'm going to launch batch 5 soon, and you can come into my internship program and I will teach you how to do all this. But now I want to go ahead and ask you for a favor, and I'm also going to give you a gift. All right. So now, I have my learning management system at learn.digitaldeepak.com, where I have published all my courses. So these are all the courses I have at learn.digitaldeepak.com. SEO course, Google Ads course, Facebook ads, blogging course, affiliate marketing, email marketing, more than 100 hours of training. And what I am going to do is that I am going to give you Facebook ads mastery course for free today. Are you excited about it? Yes, I'm going to give you the Facebook Ads Mastery course for free. And these are all the lessons involved in Facebook Ads Mastery course. Introduction to Facebook Ads, benefits and advantages of Facebook Ads, advertising terms and conditions used in Facebook Ads. What is the Facebook Pixel? What are custom conversions? How to set up a conversion optimized, ad, and how do you set up Facebook lead ads? How do you set up integrated lead ads with your CRM? How to do a retargeting ad? All these things I'm going to give you, and I'm also giving you a case study. So how many of you want this free course? This course is going to be 2,999. Guys, please don't raise your hands. Just type it in the chat box. Just type me in the chat box if you want this free course. But I want a favor to ask. I have a favor to ask from you. All right. Can I ask for that favor? Yes. Just type yes in the chat box if I can ask for a favor from you. What I want you to go ahead and do is that. So I will just close chat for a while. And I just want you to go ahead and put out a tweet about today's course. I mean, about today's presentation. So what I want you to do is that I just want you to take a screenshot or just go ahead and put out a tweet. And what I want you to do is that I want to tweet with a particular hashtag, because let's see if we can start trending today. All right. So I will put out the tweet right now on the chat box. Just copy paste it. And maybe, just take the hashtag and the tag and give me feedback on Twitter about it. So please tweet on Twitter with ID at Hi Deepak and hashtag Digital Deepak with feedback about today's lesson. All right. So I have given you the tweet, and just go ahead and put out a tweet on Twitter and tell me what you think about today's class. What did you learn in today's class? Did you learn about Facebook? If you learned about Facebook custom conversions, did you learn about, how to go ahead and create a conversion optimized ad, how to make money with Facebook? So whatever it is, you can go ahead and put out a tweet right now. And I would like to see your tweet, and I want to start trending for hashtag Digital Deepak. Can we do it today? Because we have 2,800 people live today. And if I go ahead and reach 1,000 tweets today, then I am going to give you my Facebook ads course for free. All right. So I'm just sharing it again. I hope you have a Twitter account. So help me reach 1,000 tweets. I think it's not too much to ask. Help me reach 1,000 tweets. I will just go ahead and share it again. And let's see how many we have today. I think many of you have Twitter accounts. Yes. And just put like, great session today or whatever it is, just put a feedback and put hashtag Digital Deepak, because if 1,000 people tweet at the same time, then we will start trending. So let's go and have a look at Twitter, what's happening on Twitter. So I will go ahead and search for hashtag Digital Deepak. And let's look at latest. All right. So you can, just go ahead and tweet. No need to take a screenshot or anything. Just go ahead and put out a tweet. So let's look at the latest tweets that is happening. Fantastic. So we will start trending, guys, now. If enough people start tweeting it, we will start trending. So let's look at the Twitter trends. And I'm going to give you the Facebook Ads Mastery course for free. So hashtag would be Digital Deepak. Yes, we are trending already. And let's go ahead and try to trend more. 1,000 tweets, guys. What I'm looking for. So you can see here, on Twitter, you can see here, sorry, it is not displaying. Oops. Anyway, so we have started trending for hashtag Digital Deepak. Fantastic. So what I will do is that I will go and, fetch the link for the Facebook Ads Mastery for you. So wonderful live session, very good feedback we are getting. So what you can do is that you can also go ahead and take a screenshot of this particular thing, and then you can go ahead and tweet. And a lot of people are saying that they do not have, Twitter account. So if you do not have the Twitter account, I will go and give you my Instagram account. So you can go ahead and put the Instagram. All right. So my IG will be at hi.deepak. So you can post an Instagram story. So that is my Instagram. And you can maybe like take a screenshot of this particular slide which says Facebook Ads Masterclass by Digital Deepak, and you can go ahead and put it there. So in the meantime, let me fetch the Facebook Ads Mastery for you. So thanks a lot for the tweet, guys. We are trending today, and fantastic, very good activity today. So if you have posted on IG, just put IG in the chat box. So certificates will be sent on email, guys. I would want you to submit your notes that you have taken, and then I will be giving you the certificate. So let's look at Facebook Ads Mastery. So IG would be at hi.deepak. That's my IG. And my Twitter is at hi.deepak. And hashtag would be Digital Deepak. So that would be the hashtag. So I'm just waiting for the Facebook Ads Mastery course discount link. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you a discount code, and then as a thank you note for giving me the trending today, I will go ahead and give you 100% discount on my Facebook Ads course. FB Ads August 10. Going to give you the 100% discount on Facebook Ads. All right, so now my Facebook Ads 100% discount code is ready. This is what you are going to get. All right, and for people who have already purchased this course, I am going to give you one more course on email for free since you have already purchased it. So get my FB Ads free here. So once you sign up for it, then you will be able to go ahead and get it within the next 24 hours. And for people who already have my Facebook Ads course, I will be sending one more course for free on email. So that's that. So thanks a lot. Are you excited for this? There is no limit. I will give you lifetime updates for this particular course, and you will be able to access this course for lifetime on my system learn.digitaldeepak.com. So let me also go ahead and log in and show you what's inside. So got it. Just type got it in the chat box. It might take a little bit of time, before it comes, but just wait for it. Just wait for it. It might take a little bit of time. And if everybody is trying to visit this at the same time, then the server might crash. It might take some time to load, but yeah, so that's about it. So now that brings us to the end of today's webinar.